disappeared लोगों की बीवियां half widow कहलाती हैं, आधी बेवा कहलाती हैं, half widows. So if you know Kashmir and if you know the background, then you'll understand the meaning of half widows. So the men who disappeared in the conflict, they are neither announced dead and they are neither alive for the family to see. So they are known as half widows because they are not fully widowed, and so.
Yeah, good afternoon to all of you. Vijay Shankar here. Here, right here. I'm raising my hand. Here.
We can't see your hand.
Yeah, center. Okay. Yeah, good afternoon to all of you. This is to Mr. Vishal. How would you define your journey from music to direction?
ये तो बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ मैं, विकिपीडिया पे भी मिल जाएगा ये तो, दिस इज या आई मीन अब तो मैं भूल गया कि मैं कभी सिर्फ कंपोजर था। मैं बना डायरेक्टर अपने आप को कि मैं म्यूजिक कंपोजर को, अपने अंदर का जो म्यूजिक कंपोजर है उसको जिंदा रख सकूं, क्योंकि मुझे म्यूजिक के लिए काम मिलना बंद हो गया था। तो दिस वाज द ओनली वे टू कीप माई सेल्फ अलाइव एज कंपोजर।
हेलो विशाल जी, नमस्ते विशाल जी, रजनी नेशनल दुनिया से। आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि दरअसल आमतौर पर देखा गया जो विशेषज्ञ होता है उसका एक आजमाया नुस्खा होता है जो हमेशा कारगर साबित होता है, और अगर विशाल जी की बात करें तो उनका आजमाया नुस्खा है विलियम शेक्सपियर की जो नाटक हैं, किताबें हैं, उनको अडेप्ट करना हिंदी में। एक लंबे अरसे बाद हम हैमलेट के ज़रिए देखेंगे हैदर को, तो आपको लगता है ये जो नुस्खा है वो कामयाब होगा? क्योंकि हमें काफ़ी उम्मीदें हैं।
बहुत अच्छी बात है, आपको उम्मीदें हैं, क्योंकि मुझे तो उम्मीद थी तभी मैंने फिल्म बनाई। और ऑब्वियसली ये नुस्खा तो नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज शेक्सपियर तो नुस्खे से ऊपर की चीज़ है। नुस्खा होता तो ख़त्म हो गया होता है, ये तो 400-450 साल से चला आ रहा है।
Shahid, you're Veena from Times Now.
Hi.
Shahid, the trailer looks amazing. You look brilliant in the film. How did you prepare for such an intense role? Tell us something about your journey.
First of all, thank you. I'm so happy that you like the trailer. It's something that is very close to all our hearts. It's a film that all of us have made with a lot of conviction. It's not the kind of film that one tends to attempt every day. So first of all, I'd like to thank everybody here for making this film possible, because I think I'm very fortunate to be a part of a film like Haider and to get the opportunity to play the character of Hamlet, which I think is a very rare opportunity which very few actors all over the world have got. So I feel very, very lucky. It's very difficult to prepare for the role. I had a lot of support from some fantastic actors, and that really helped me a lot. Being in the same frame with actors like Tabu Ma'am and KK and Irfan sir was a huge learning experience for me. It gave me a lot of confidence about the product that we're trying to create. I think Vishal sir is somebody who's given me probably the best role of my life so far, which was what I did in Kamine. And it's amazing to get an opportunity to work with him again. And the only reason I thought maybe I'll be able to pull this off was because I had him directing me. So I spent a lot of time with him, and he really helped me through the entire journey. But this is one role which makes you feel very inadequate as an actor. Every day when I was on the set, the inherent feeling that I had was that I don't think I'm good enough to play this role. That's what I felt every day, and I used to keep running to everybody for reassurance, whether it's Vishal sir, whether it's Pankaj, who's the cameraman of our film, to my co-actors. I'd keep asking them, do you think I got it right? Because it's that kind of role. So one prepared to whatever degree that one can, but it did make me feel inadequate, to be very honest.
But as an actor, is it difficult to switch on and switch off from such kind of an intense role?
I don't think you can switch on and switch off when you play a role like this. I think you need to stay in that zone, and I think we were very lucky that we shot the entire film in Kashmir. So one stayed in that atmosphere, because I think Kashmir has a certain energy to it which is unique to Kashmir. It's very difficult to describe it, and it's amazing that we shot the entire film there. I think if we wouldn't have shot the entire film there, we would have not truly understood what we were doing. Being there and being in that atmosphere, being with those people, really helped kind of flow into the world that one is trying to create and to bring it out to some extent. Yeah.
Vishal sir, hi, this is Sakhi right here from Headlines Today and Aaj Tak. So taking a cue from the question that was asked to you earlier, you know, you sort of digressed from the two Shakespearean novels that you adapted in Maqbool and Omkara, made Matru, you know, which was a dark satirical sort of a take on the situation right now. You coming back with Haider, you know, Maqbool and Omkara obviously worked with the audiences. And Matru kind of didn't really click. So is that your way of coming back to something that was your trump card to start with?
Not really. Actually, I don't care what happens to my film because that becomes the past. The moment the film releases, you move on, you look ahead. You don't look at your past. Of course, you look at the mistakes you have made that past, but if you have made mistakes. So for me, Haider is like, or any other film which I make, it's like a new journey for me. I don't see it कि इससे ये चलनी है या नहीं चलनी है. I don't care for that.
Good afternoon, Vishal. Vikram Thapa from NDTV.
बहुत अच्छी आवाज़ है आपकी.
धन्यवाद.
Wait, Vikram, you have a bad throat, or that's just how you sound?
No, that's how I sound.
Killer, man, killer. Can you dub for the rest of the film for me?
Vishal, I just wanted to know, the last time we were so excited about you and, Shahid coming together was with Kameene. But what made you go back to Shahid?
I needed a commitment from the actor because Hamlet अभी से नहीं है मेरे पास. काफ़ी वक्त से मेरे पास मुझे अपनी trilogy पूरी करनी थी. So I needed a kind of commitment from an actor, and before that I needed an actor. So शाहिद का जो काम कमीने में जो हम लोग का जो रेपो था और जो हमने साथ में काम किया था वो बहुत अच्छा हमारा एक जर्नी थी. So when we met, we have been meeting for a long time that we should do a film together. So Haider का जब subject की बात आई, so we found each other that we wanted to commit ourselves completely to that script and that subject.